Paul again here from EMD Motorsport. Just want to show you this is all done here. I'll put the light on. So everything's done, pretty much connected here. That one's done, all fully assembled. And if you look from top, that one's done as well. So this box, this part here is all done. Assemble all the motors. And today I was going to put everything back together, and I just found out there's another flap here that needs to be repaired as well. So we're going to take this one out and repair this, cut out another one, and then repair it for tomorrow. So I'm going to repair it today, and hopefully the glue will set by tomorrow, and then I'll start putting everything back together. Put the evaporator in, and then whatever the extra parts the customer gave me for the motors and all that, sensors, put that in as well. So prepare it for next week to get it done, to start the assembly. But everything here is all good now. So okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.